World Press Freedom Day is observed on 3rd May to celebrate the importance of free and independent journalism in society. Established by the United Nations in 1993, the day highlights the role of the press in protecting democracy, truth, and freedom of expression. World Red Cross Day is observed on 8th May to honor the humanitarian work of the Red Cross and Red Crescent societies around the world. Celebrated since 1948, the day promotes compassion, medical aid, and support for people affected by disasters and conflicts. National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May in India to recognize the country's achievements in science and technology. Observed since 1999, the day commemorates the successful Pokhran nuclear tests and honors the contributions of scientists, engineers, and innovators. International Nurses Day is observed on 12th May to honor the dedication and compassionate service of nurses worldwide. Celebrated since 1974, the day marks the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale and highlights the vital role nurses play in healthcare. International Day of Families is observed on 15th May to highlight the importance of families as the foundation of society. Celebrated since 1994, the day promotes awareness about social, economic, and cultural issues affecting families around the world. World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May to raise awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco use on health. Started by the World Health Organization in 1987, the day encourages people to quit smoking and promote a tobacco-free lifestyle. World Blood Donor Day is observed on 14 June to raise awareness about the importance of voluntary blood donation in saving lives. Celebrated since 2004, the day honors blood donors and encourages people to donate blood regularly to support healthcare services worldwide. International Yoga Day is observed on 21st June to spread awareness about the physical, mental, and spiritual benefits of yoga. Celebrated since 2015, the day encourages people around the world to practice yoga for a healthy and balanced lifestyle. National Doctors Day is celebrated on 1st July in India to honor the dedication and service of doctors in protecting public health. Observed since 1991, the day also commemorates the birth and death anniversary of Bidhan Chandra Roy. World Population Day is observed on 11th July to raise awareness about global population issues and their impact on society and the environment. Established in 1989 by the United Nations, the day highlights the importance of healthcare, education, gender equality, and sustainable development. National Doctors Day is celebrated on 1st July in India to honor the dedication and service of doctors in protecting public health. Observed since 1991, the day also commemorates the birth and death anniversary of Bidhan Chandra Roy. World Population Day is observed on 11th July to create awareness about population growth and its impact on society, resources, and the environment. Established by the United Nations in 1989, the day promotes healthcare, education, family planning, and sustainable development worldwide. Hiroshima Day is observed on 6 August to remember the atomic bombing of Hiroshima in Japan in 1945 during World War II. The day spreads awareness about peace and the dangers of nuclear weapons. Quit India Movement Day is observed on 9th August to remember the movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 against British rule in India. The day honors the courage and sacrifice of freedom fighters who fought for India's independence. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in India to honor the valuable contribution of teachers in shaping students' lives and the nation's future. Observed since 1962, the day marks the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. International Literacy Day is observed on 8th September to spread awareness about the importance of literacy and education for all people. Celebrated since 1967, the day encourages efforts to improve reading, writing, and learning opportunities worldwide. Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14th September to mark the adoption of Hindi as one of the official languages of India in 1949. The day promotes the importance of the Hindi language and encourages its use in education, literature, and communication. World Ozone Day is observed on 16th September to raise awareness about the importance of protecting the ozone layer from harmful chemicals. Celebrated since 1994, the day encourages people to take steps to protect the environment and reduce ozone depletion. Thank you for watching this presentation on Sharwana's Knowledge Hub. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.